Hello everyone, welcome to CES 2019. My name is Michael Gray. I'm here at the Corsair Suite and I'm going to walk you through today some amazing products that we have launched here at CES 2019.
Einmal noch.
Dieses Video wird euch von den kabellosen Kopfhörern von JBL präsentiert. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
Original Pro Sound. Als wärst du dabei. Kabellose Kopfhörer von JBL.
First, we have the M65 Rgb Elite. So this amazing mouse is a refresh of our very popular M65. It's got a nice streamlined design, and we've lowered the weight. So now it weighs in only 97 grams and has adjustable weights to go up to 115 grams. So as you can see on the bottom, we've got this nice aluminum base with the adjustable weight system. We also have this amazing PixArt 3391 sensor. So this gets us to an 18,000 DPI with 1 DPI stepping, top class tracking, and this is something we work directly with PixArt with to design, especially for this mouse and our latest generation mice products. Right next door here, we've got the Ironclaw RGB. So this is another brand new wireless wired mouse. So where the M65 Rgb Elite is kind of designed for multiple grip styles, this is generally a palm only mouse. So it's really designed for people that fully engage their hand to the mouse. But what we've managed to do is, even though this mouse is larger than our typical mice, it's very lightweight at only 105 grams. So it has that great shape, great weight, so it's great for your very competitive FPS, mobile players, basically any game genre you want to play and you're a palm grip, this mouse has you covered. It has that same great 18,000 DPI sensor, and also both these mice feature 50 million click Omron switches and a single onboard profile, so you can save lighting, you can save macros, and you can save your DPI settings. And then these mice are all sitting on the top, by the way, are MM350 mouse pads. So before I talk about this amazing Harpoon RGB Wireless mouse, I just want to mention we've got 2 new mouse pads as well, MM350, Extended XL and X Large. So they come in a really large size that either is mouse only or designed to kind of cover your desk for mouse, keyboard, and headset. They're 5 millimeters thick for added comfort for long play sessions. And then last but not least, I really want to get into the Harpoon RGB Wireless and this amazing new technology we've launched here at CES called Slipstream. So before I talk about the mouse, the Slipstream technology we have created is 0.5 milliseconds. So traditional wireless technology is 1 millisecond for gaming. Now what we've done is we've shrunk the packets so that we can send 2 every millisecond, so you get 0.5 millisecond latency. That means it's twice the speed of the previous generation technology. In addition to that, it's far more reliable. So what we've got is intelligent frequency shifting. So what that means is it will switch lanes faster, so it's scanning every 0.5 milliseconds to find a new channel to jump to, so it can avoid interference. We also have something called the smart protocol layer, and what that does is it can retransmit packets, so there's some redundancy there as well. So it's twice as reliable as previous gen tech. Last, and very important to a lot of people, is range. So we have doubled the range from last generation. We've increased the transmission power, so we're actually +4 dBm now, and what that gets us is 65 feet or 20 meters of range, up from 33 feet, 10 meters last generation. So basically we've got twice the performance, twice the reliability, and twice the range on this new tech. And right here we've got the Harpoon RGB Wireless. So this is our first mouse that features this brand new technology. It has a nice nano dongle now, so it's very conveniently sized. And the mouse itself has a door on it, so it can keep the dongle safe for traveling and storage. This is same as our wired Harpoon platform, except it's now 10,000 DPI, weighs only 99 grams, and gets an amazing 30 up to 60 hours of battery life. It also has those 3 modes of connectivity with the switch. So it does 2.4 with the Slipstream, it does Bluetooth low energy, and it does USB wired. So Harpoon is really the must-have wireless mouse for gaming. So you finally have that full freedom for gaming and esports with performance wireless tech with Slipstream.